Ooh, I'm feeling pretty hungry. There's not much I can do about it. Wait! Mentos! Oh, I must have been imagining things. Wait! She has french fries on her desk! Okay. It's just actually her pencil holder. Fried chicken! What's going on? Why am I seeing food everywhere? Holy cow! A giant cookie! I can't believe it. I'm going in! What are you doing? Why are you biting me? Oh, sorry. I know, right? I'm so hungry. Have you guys ever eaten fruit before? This thing's delicious. Kinda fuzzy. Mmm. Peels have all the nutrients. So good. What? Nothing. Never mind. Just gonna enjoy my cereal. But the Coke's really what makes it. Hello, Bubbles! Huh? Look what she's doing! All done! Bon appetit to me! First bite. What? Nothing. Weirdo. Takes one and no one. Yay! It's lunchtime! Yummy yummy! Yeah, well, here you go. That's it? That's lunch? Yep, go on. Get out of here. Excuse me. I'm here for my food. So, you're just butting in front of others? Whatever. Not my problem anyway. Okay, now it's my turn. Food, please. Out of my way! I'm here for my lunch. Anytime now. I don't have all day. What? How come he gets to jump to the front of the line? Okay, this time it's my turn. Dish me up. Tap tap. I'll take this. Thanks. And I'll have one of these sandwiches too. Who even was that? I don't think she works here. Oh, looks like we're out. Ugh, you've gotta be kidding me! I'm taking this! These fries are good, right? Look! It's Jake! Isn't he the cutest? Just look at that gorgeous hair! What's up, ladies? Hey, Naomi. Hi. Hey. So, did you watch the movie last night? I bet we'd make such a cute couple. More Skittles, my love. Here. I love you, Jake. Hey, a girl can dream, right? Anyway. What are they doing over there? I'm supposed to watch this? No! No! Don't kiss! Oh god, they're doing it! What's her deal? Fry got stuck. Now, where were we? I'll be a third wheel forever. So unfair. Gosh, I'm so hungry now. Oh my gosh, now's our chance! She's the most popular girl in school! If she likes what we give her, maybe we can be popular too! Hey, would you like some of my chocolate bar? Chocolate? So boring. How about something healthy? I've got juice and an apple. I don't eat fruit. Would you like a burger, fries, and a Fanta? What? You know I've been trying to watch my weight. Okay. Here's my chance. I'm the last one. Don't fail me now, milk and cookies. Come on. Pick mine. Yes. I think I will have a cookie. No way! She chose the cookies and milk! Thank you. That was very good. Yes! She loved my cookie! I feel much better now. I can't believe she chose me today! Guess I was just the best. This might be the best day of my life! I'm gonna save this cookie forever! I've never been so happy before! Delicious. Is there anything better than fried chicken? Hey girl! What's up? Gotta make it to my goal weight, so a plate of lettuce it is. That fried chicken looks divine. And she got fries too? Tastes the same. I wish I could eat like that. Oh god, I'm drooling now? Oh, do you want some of this? I've gotta stay on track. Gotcha. Glad I'm not on a diet. This is brutal. Maybe if I watch her enough, my lettuce will taste like that. Still a little bit left. Drool incoming!
What the? Is Naomi okay? Talk about unappetizing. Oh no! Don't drink that! I think I'm gonna be sick. Yep, gotta go.
What she doesn't know won't hurt her. Did someone refill this? Yes! I'm so excited it's time to eat lunch! And there's my lunchbox. I've been looking forward to this all day. Wait. Aw, I got mayo all over my fingers. Oh my gosh, you're such a mess. Here's a napkin. Thanks. There we go. Hands all clean. And now back to my food. It's burger time! Wow, she's really just digging in there. Oops. You're a mess. Okay, here's some more napkins. Great, thanks. Into my mouth you go, tomato. Ew, she's kind of a slob. She honestly thinks that napkin's gonna help her? Well, at least I've got my delicious juice. I love Coke! Oh no! I spilled my soda! Could you spare a few more napkins? I'll just take this. Oh, you've only got one left. Wait a second. That gives me an idea. What? What are you doing? Ha! No way I can get dirty from food now. You know what this meal needs? More ketchup! Are you serious? Don't you already have enough? Ah! What the heck are you doing? Oh, I totally messed up. I was holding it the wrong way. Oops. Well, good thing I had these goggles. I don't get you at all. Well, at least the ketchup tastes good. I hope you're all paying attention. Why are you all eating in here? This is simply unacceptable. Now put it in the bucket. Fine. More? Ugh, just take it. Take it all. You happy now? Into the bucket, missy! I hope you all learned your lesson! Now back to work! As if this class wasn't awful enough. Hey, can I join? Well, better late than never. Phew. Hey! Psst. Hungry? No way! You've got all the good stuff! I'm definitely interested. Pleasure doing business with you. What's that? I want in on the snack action! What's going on over there? Oh, no! Are you selling snacks again? I knew it! To the principal you go! But not before you hand him over. If you insist. Oh, great heavens! I suppose a little nosh wouldn't hurt. How much money does she have? Hold on. Just take it all.
My lucky day!
Thanks. I should have brought a bag. Just give me a call whenever you need me. Naomi, the candy dealer. Great! Now get going! Ugh! Look at how long this line is! Oh! She's waving me forward! Yes! Excuse me! Out of the way, please! What the heck? How come she gets to skip the line?
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you all week. How are you?
Ugh. I guess everyone's getting impatient. Well, here's the menu, so what would you like to order? She gets a special menu? Come on!
Sorry. I'll need to take a 15-minute break.
Is she kidding? What about us? Yay! Thank you! This looks great! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Sorry, not sorry.
I can't believe this! It's not fair!
Yes! Time for lunch! My veggies, of course. And can't forget the rest. Aw, your cute little containers and a fork. Thanks. I'm very excited for my little salad. Actually, I better weigh this food. Because I gotta make sure I'm within my plan. I'll check this carrot. Come on, scale. Hurry up. Okay, it's good. It's so good. Crunchy and sweet. That carrot's so tiny.
Oh no! It's gone straight to my waist!
Huh? What are you doing?
Just gotta fit in some lunges. Gotta burn off the lunch I just ate.
Girl, I don't know that you should be so extreme. Hey, where did that punching bag come from?
I brought it from home, of course.
Phew! Now that was a good workout. Gotta make sure I rehydrate, of course. That's good water. Finished my work, so now I can eat too. Oh my gosh. Look at the food you brought. Let me see. Where should I start? Fried chicken? Burger? Coke? I think I'll start with the chicken.
Stop!
What are you doing?
These foods are so unhealthy! You can't eat them! Get rid of them!
But what am I supposed to eat for lunch? Here, start with these carrots. They're good for you. They're great. Look, I've got another one too. This isn't as good as the fried chicken would have been. These carrots are great, right? Yay! Carrots! So good and so many. Oh, there's only one carrot left in the bin. Did you eat all of them?
You're a giant carrot!
I ate so many of them! Oops.
Look! It's my favorite part! How did that even happen? Yep, bad from every angle. Hey! You got me in the face!
Oh, sorry. Chip, they're still edible.
Hey! You're not gonna believe what Kevin told me. Yep, he finally asked me a… Ugh! My bad! Did I get you?
Just a tad. Napkin? A towel would be better.
I've been craving a burger all day. Uh-oh!
go! Did your burger explode? Why does this always happen with you? Anyone? I can drink in peace. Oh, hey girl! Sorry I'm late! Are you okay? Here we go. Wait, a soda? No! I don't think so. Better let me do it. Phew. Here you go. Crisis averted. Well, at least for now. Ooh, why can't I get this Nutella open? Come on, it should just twist off. It's no good. I'm gonna need help. Mom! What is it? What's wrong? Oh, hand that over to me. There you go, honey. Oh, I don't know how you opened that so easily. Come on, Coke! Open up! Why can't I get this open? Ugh. Hand it over. I'll open it for you. Watch this. Ha! Opened it with my eye socket. What? How did you do that? Just gonna put these books in my locker. What? Not again! Why can't I ever open anything? I need to get this open! I'm so thirsty! Here, I'll help you. There you go. Thanks. Man, why does everyone have to help me? Aw, look at that poor little kid! He can't get his bottle open. What? Me? Oh, no, 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 no. Keep it away from me! I can't help you! You see yourself or any of your friends in these hungry characters? Let us know which one you relate to. And share this video with anyone who could use a laugh today. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out.